Finding the Volume by Vanessa Calderon. What is the volume? The volume is the amount of space that a substance or an object occupies. When finding the volume, it is important to really get to know your formula. Since I'm solving for a cylinder, my formula is V equals pi r squared times height. Our problem is, what is the volume of a cylinder that has a radius of 6 inches and a height of 9 inches rounded to the nearest tenth of a cubic inch? First, you have to identify the parts of the equation so you can plug it in. What is the volume of a cylinder that has a radius of 6 inches and a height of 9 inches rounded to the nearest tenth? Well, as you see, the height is 9 inches and the radius is 6 inches. Now that you have identified the important parts of the equation, plug into the equation V equals pi r squared times h. Because we're using pi, and since it goes pretty much on forever, something you should have in mind is as you shorten the decimal, your last number changes, bringing you farther from your answer. So your equation, once you plug the numbers in, is going to be V equals 3.14 times 6 squared times 9. So now you need to solve 3.14159 times 6 squared times 9. Once you square the 6, it turns into 36. So once you multiply the 3.14159 times 36 times 9, it's going to equal 1017.87. And that's going to be rounded to the nearest tenth. And your final answer is going to be 1017.9. And that's going to be the volume of the cylinder.